Sussex is an excellent location for the study of ecology and environment. We're one of the sunniest and warmest campuses in Britain, and this means that the local flora and fauna has quite a long period of growth and activity during the year, which aids its local study. Another advantage of the campus is the very close proximity of a number of quite different habitats which we can easily get to study. As I've said, Sussex is embedded within the South Downs National Park, with its typical chalk grassland like this. A little further inland, we see the Weald, the central Weald, with this woodland and heathland, two quite different habitats. And of course, living by the sea, we have the close proximity of salt marsh like this, and of course, shingle beaches. We would want you to really take advantage of the local environment. So it's going to be very necessary, if you come to the University of Sussex, to bring a pair of these with you, some walking boots. And you would need to use these walking boots almost as soon as you got here, because after a very few weeks, we take you on your first field trip. This is a local field trip with a night at the Alfriston Youth Hostel and a 7-mile gentle walk through beautiful rolling countryside. And here are our students, you can see, walking down to these iconic Seven Sisters here. And already we see within the National Park one of the tensions that arises. The National Park is there to try to preserve the environment, but at the same time, it's trying to encourage individuals, the public, to come in and actually visit the countryside. And this is one of the things that we will debate during the course. It's a very interesting issue. Let's look at this next slide. And we were just in about this location here, looking over here towards the Seven Sisters. This here is the famous Cuckmere River, an estuary with its famous meanders up at this particular position here. We're right in the middle of a serious issue about managed retreat. To stop, as it were, keeping the sea back, which is slowly rising here, and to allow this particular ecosystem to revert to salt marsh. It's a very topical issue that we will discuss during the course and have significant debates about it. Because of course, these classical meanders that we see here are part of the kind of iconic scene of the south of England. And if salt marsh were allowed to encroach, these meanders, which you see in every geography textbook, may disappear. These are just two of the many issues that we would cover in the ecology and environment degree here at Sussex.